Hey guys, it's Kat.
And Crew.
And welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a pretty fun little video. Sean is going to be, what are you doing?
I'm gonna try to do your makeup.
You guys know he does my raptorials and y'all think he knows what he's doing. So we're gonna find out today if he knows what he's doing.
Find out today.
So we're gonna pray that he knows and he has paid attention to his own lyrics.
When I took a shower just now, I was
doing it in your head? Okay.
But I didn't really give many like descriptive like how many strokes you should do.
Oh, well we're gonna find out.
Pat it with pat
exactly. Pat it up.
Right cheek, pat it up.
So we're gonna hop right into it.
Beautiful, right? All I gotta do is put lip gloss on.
Oh,
there's like 76 brushes here.
So you have options.
What do you need all this for? I'm supposed to use every
That is
brushes?
like 3% of what I have. I already put moisturizer on. What's next?
So we're gonna start with the benefit, the pore. Hold on, I gotta do it the way you do it. It's not focusing. The Porefessional Pore Primer by Benefit. We're gonna grab a sponge. Or not.
What is the purpose of this primer?
This is to cover your pores.
The primer is the reason why the makeup lasts so long.
You guys are probably roasting me right now because I don't know what I'm doing.
No, you're not supposed to know what you're doing. But I did have, I don't know, kind of expected a little more from you, honey. I always do it on camera. You edit all of my videos. What is happening?
Do I put it on your eyeballs?
No.
Okay. Step 1 of 3,000. Now we move to foundation.
Ding, 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 ding.
Pat it up. Right cheek. Okay. And then you wanna rub. I don't wanna rub. I'm just gonna. Am I supposed to get your eyes with this though? No. No. Just don't get your eyes.
Because I have lash extensions.
You gotta do your.
Oh my eye!
Oh my god.
That's why you use the pointy corner and you gently go in that area. Got it. What's one food I won't touch? And then I'll answer for you.
One food you won't touch. Blue cheese.
That is true. And what's one food you won't touch?
There's one food that...
I don't think that's possible for you. I think you would try...
Everything.
Caviar. You didn't want to try the caviar on the trip.
That's a little too much. Not even caviar, it was escargot.
Oh yeah. Snails.
Like negative.
What's the first thing you noticed about me?
First thing I noticed about you was...
Oh my gosh, what is it? I don't even know.
I noticed that you were very, very beautiful.
You're just saying that?
No, I'm not. I noticed that you loved kids, because I think that was your profile picture at the time.
Oh yeah, you did say
you and your
that.
cousins. I'll be your baby daddy.
Hey, you did.
Concealer. This is Camo Concealer. This is e.l.f.'s 16-hour Camo Concealer.
Oh, you remember?
No, I did
Oh, you just read it? Oh.
What do you think I am?
Oh Lord.
So now, from there, I'm also going to use another sponge to pat it up. But we don't use the same sponge, can we?
What's the first thing I noticed about you? That you look like Trey Songz.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we all blend it up.
Okay.
Somewhat. This is scary because this is gonna come off like powder. Like a powder donut.
I have a lot of creases, so make sure that you're getting powder in the creases.
Yeah.
So the concealer doesn't crease.
Okay. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You can just.
What is that? Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I can't even see.
And we're gonna use the GSQ by Glam Squad because this looks like a big brush, so I'm just gonna.
It's a really good powder brush.
Powder puff setting with the brush. Am I supposed to make this much of a mess? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Alright guys.
Okay.
It looks set.
I have the screen open, but I cannot see full details because it's really far. But I can very much see that I am 3 shades lighter.
You have a tan. So we're gonna use the...
Precisely.
Precisely?
This is called Precisely.
Oh, Precisely.
What are you reading? And this is the goof proof.
This is the goof proof. I'm reading just the
number is the shade. I'm shade 3 because shade 5, 6 is very dark.
Alright, so we're gonna start with the Precisely My Brow Pencil to start shaping the eyebrows. This is to brush your brows, so I'm gonna brush them to make sure that they look good. So, brush these brows because they need some help.
Okay.
Ooh!
Oh God.
Sorry, I'm not a right age, so this side of your face is gonna be all jacked up.
The brows make the look, okay?
You gotta stop saying that, okay? How much of this am I supposed to do? That's too much. That's gotta be too much.
Benefit got the best brow pencils around,
I
so you can't mess this up.
I went too far. Brows make the look. I made it look worse. This looks crazy.
Babe, don't let me down.
Hey, the pencil it's great. It's a great color. It comes off pretty easily.
And then you're filling in negative space.
There's a lot of negative space. How do I erase? How do I backspace? Is there a way to delete? I am not a fan. Alright, next, the Benefit Gimme Brow.
The Gimme Brow.
I think what's bothering me is the fact that I can see
the lines.
The goof brow under your eyebrows. I can choose any one of these colors?
No, choose one.
Nah.
No. What drink do we order when we go out to eat? So what drink do I order when we go out to eat?
Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry.
Unless it's
and a water. Or a water.
Or a water. If I'm like, don't get a drink.
Yeah, or you'll just order a water and then you'll drink my soda.
So usually Sean will do a Sprite, but he's not doing soda for the whole year of 2020. If I have the remote, what am I watching?
You're watching.
What am I putting on?
You're either putting on HGTV or Friends.
And you're doing the
and
same.
And right there with you.
HGTV or Friends, or if I'm not there, you're probably watching some kind of documentary or something Animal Planet. If I'm not with you, Discovery Channel. Yeah, those are like documentary type of things.
This is a joke. Your brows don't look done, so I'm obviously missing a step.
Palettes! Got some palettes, guys. Some cheek stars.
That is the new Benefit Cheek Star Reunion Tour palette.
This is a blush, bronze, and highlight palette. So this is for your face.
Yep.
But we need something that's gonna go for your eyes. And we got the Disney Designer
Collection.
We
got
the Anastasia.
So you got some colors.
This is glam. How about we mix them both? We're gonna use a little bit of the pip or the enchanted. And then we're gonna throw in a little bit of
royal ball or floating lantern.
That's a force. You're gonna look crazy if I do that.
Do you plan to have more kids?
Yes. Just I want to shoot for it.
But what if that takes like 5 more?
Stop it.
You want to try what? 1 more? 2 more? Like where did we cap it off here? One more try.
I'd rather not go for 7 kids.
Oh Lord. Yeah, Sean needs his girl. Cause I'm the queen on the throne here, and everything just revolves around me. I mean, it's amazing. Danny Pie 23 said, "How did he know you were the one for him? We already heard your side on YouTube." So she said, "Shut your pie hole. We already heard you talk about it."
How did I know you were the one for me? I don't know, how do you make me feel, I guess? Like, whenever we would talk and stuff like that, I hadn't dated in a long time, like seriously dated for a long time. And when we started talking, I think it just felt different. It felt like right, like I actually wanted to settle down.
Oh my gosh. So the way I made you feel?
Yeah, it felt like puppy love anyways.
You felt like this is the woman I want to have a family with? I don't even think we thought about that.
No, I don't think I got to that point.
Like, this was just like, everything felt really good.
Yeah, I was like, I'm down with this.
Yeah, I don't think either of us knew, like even when we got pregnant, I was like, oh, well, we doing this thing, huh? Like, this is it.
What does a blending brush look like? I would assume it looks like this. But this looks more like a contour.
Get me all glamified.
I'm not gonna worry about this gap right under your over your eyelashes, because that's why I'm gonna do the wing.
Oh,
the wings and things.
You're really gonna do a wing?
I'd still go on a date with you. Can you help me?
Yes. This. The roller lash eyeliner from Benefit.
It's about to go. Oh,
it's
easy. About to go. Where do you start from?
I feel like by my ear.
By your ear? Disrespect. See, you moving too much.
Okay, how do you handle disagreements with your partner?
I just shut up.
Ding, ding, ding! Problem solved.
Yo, this was crazy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, Lord.
Like, you can't erase this. Oh my God, it keeps getting worse. Dang, that's awful. Okay.
Oh, okay, redeem yourself.
No, the right side's gonna look nuts because I'm not already.
How's it looking?
Yo, I'm out here, dog.
Okay, careful because that's my thigh and it hurts.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, makes a difference, okay? You've redeemed yourself.
I feel your eyeballs, girl.
You know how many years it took me to perfect the wing and you just wanted to go right for a wing for the first time? Okay, what was the question? How do we handle disagreements? Okay, all jokes aside, we've gotten much, much better at handling disagreements because we really, really failed at that early on in our relationship.
Yo, you about to get roasted.
Ooh, you about to get roasted. You did this to me.
I'm so sorry. Benefits blush. We'll do that after we do the contour.
Okay. You saved yourself.
See, I got a little something here somewhere in my mind, but this is a hula.
Well, you have the Cheek Star Reunion Tour palette. You have blushes and bronzer and highlighters in here. The Hula is one of the best. That is my go-to. That's what I have here.
And this is what?
For my bronzer. That's Hula.
What is it?
It's a bronzer.
It's a bronzer. Bronzer.
Which is a like contour. We're not contouring. Contouring is too difficult for you, but
Oh, I could contour. Don't ever try to disrespect me.
okay then.
This, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I want to do that.
Ah.
You look beautiful.
Good.
All right, we're gonna do your lips real quick. Well,
You didn't even do blush to bring light back
blush.
into my face, or
Okay.
highlight is the best part.
okay, blush. That's right, blush.
Oh my gosh, you're using the contour brush? Honey, this is the Morphe and Benefits R10 blush brush. Okay, what was the question? Okay, disagreements. We really sucked at it. We would say what was important to us without really listening to the other person and really like thinking about what mattered to them and what they were trying to say, which a lot of people do. And also, we did not have good examples of healthy disagreements and arguments growing up. So what we saw as our normal within our families, that's what we knew. And then we came together and it clashed, honey. That is my go-to eyeshadow brush that you are dipping into the highlight. What is happening?
Wash your brushes and we find.
So yes, we have
What did I just do?
okay, saving the day with the beauty blender, all right.
So this is like an eraser. This is like Photoshop.
So we have learned through counsel and a lot of prayer, a lot of videos on healthy communication. We're learning and getting there. We're so much better by the grace of God, so much better at communicating with disagreements and understanding each other and realizing we're on the same team and not on different teams. I think that mindset really changed the game.
How do you put this on?
Should I just...
You mean to tell me you could have done that 5 minutes ago? With me?
Are you done?
Dang, that was a bad color choice. Okay.
Am I ready to see it?
You're amazing at what you do. Yeah. Incredible at what you do.
Should we hit them with the slow-mos?
One with the slow-mos.
Okay.
Go for it. Oh boy.
Moment of truth. Babe, what?
If I didn't do the wing, we would have been straight.
This is not a wing. This is a massacre. Unbelievable.
Wait.
What did you do good? All right. Well, for foundation, complexion, and setting powder, Concealer, you did pretty good.
It's not bad.
You did good on that. Like the skin looks pretty good. But I think we need another close-up on this liner. I don't know if you guys can see this liner.
Oh my God!
Listen, for real. If I didn't have the wing on there, the eyeliner thing, whatever,
it wouldn't have been.
I think it would have been. It would have been decent. I would have done a decent job.
Baby, you did good.
It was decent.
You did good. Well, this was fun, right?
Go.
Can I do? Okay, I think if you guys comment down below what you rate this look, 1 out of 10. What do you give yourself, babe?
You gotta at least give me an 8.
An 8! Please don't be generous to this man.
Y'all love it. If you think I did a really good job, I need an 8 at least.
If we went by layers, the skin, I would give you an 8 for the skin. 7. Because the
7.
contour and the highlight, blush, like I don't even see the
eyes,
blush.
That's like a 4. I'm not even gonna.
That's like a 2. Alright guys, comment down below what rate you give Sean if he did a good job.
I think you look gorgeous.
If you like videos like this, comment down below. Let us know if you want to see more from us. And if you learned a little bit, we answered some of your questions.
And again, if you want to book me, I'm available for your weddings. I'm available for every event that you have. I got you. I mean, you've seen the work that I do.
It will go, this look will go viral. It would just go viral. Alright, love you guys. See you in the next one. Mwah. Be blessed. Sorry, we had like a hectic day. Sean had to go to the house and everything, and I just finished filming a video, so I didn't. What? What? What, I have lipstick on my teeth?
No, your wing.
Well, I'm not finished with the video.
Oh, I was like,
Why? What does it look like?
it doesn't. I don't know if the camera is blurry, but you usually do it like that.
What?
Don't play me. Sean definitely did your makeup.
She said.
Yo, her face.
Well, I just finished doing a project.
What project? What's going on with your eyeliner?
What do you mean?
That side.
What? I was going for the Cleo look. What? What's wrong with it? I can't really tell
It
from
looks
this
a
little
little bumpy.
screen. What are you talking about? I can't really see. I don't have a mirror in front of me.
That's a joke.
What's a joke? I'm
Your
getting ready
eyeliner.
to film.
No, you're not. Well, you need to fix your eyeliner.
It's the Cleo look, like the extended. I saw that
I know,
was
but it's
trending.
bumpy.
What do you mean bumpy?
What about
Is
your
your-
inner corners over there? Right there.
Oh, like I should connect that right there?
Yeah, Kathy, this is a joke. Stop.
Oh, you did that freehand?
Well, I was doing it
No.
while looking at the camera.
Oh,
You're not happy with it?
no, I'm not. It's not your
Oh
best
my
work. I'm sorry.
gosh, really? Okay.
Well, now I can't unsee it. I'm sorry.
You can't unsee it?
You're like choppy right now. Maybe you need to call somebody else to check on your, I don't know, colonies. Kathleen, I'm not sure how you can't see this. Your left one.
Sean
Close
said
your
it
eyes.
looks fine.
Nope. Sean, look closely. Close your eyes, Kathleen.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Sean did this makeup look.